place, Barbershop. We're downtown Albuquerque, 4th Street and Central, half block south of Central. We've been here going on 19 years in October.
It's something of a crossroads, an intersection of culture and community.
People are like, I just don't go downtown. You know, people tell me that all the time. They kind of avoid it, but it's like the city and state center, which is kind of a wild thing.
Slow down, man, you're going too fast.
Yeah, just a traditional barbershop with like hot lather and straight razors, and we say all styles welcome. So we're trying to like welcome every style of life and person. And it's also an intersection of community and culture where people of different, you know, ideas and looks and places of social status can all chill for a minute, maybe half an hour, and rub elbows and kind of interact. So I think it's kind of world peace in that way, because there's not many places like that exist anymore.
What do you think?
Just kidding. You get a hot lather?
You want hot lather? Or just a razor? Clipper?
You know, shopping and stuff, you see other types of people, but you don't sit there and have to tolerate each other for that long, you know? So that's a, I think, important place in today's world. We have people that live out here in the alleys that, you know, they come in and get water and soda pops. And we have people that have, you know, high city office and doctors and lawyers, you know, kind of all intermingling. So I think that's important because we can be in our car and just shut the whole rest of the world off real quick, or on our phone. But that's why I like being downtown.
Just need the back for about a minute.
Trim up the back a little bit?
Yeah, that's it. Roll it.
Dude, you look buttery.
No, I need the back. But nobody's gonna do it.
Keeping it clean, Steven. Is that comfortable? You like it rounded, blocked? You taper all the way out? I'm just gonna get this bottom part real quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's fun. It's kind of like a little sculpture and an interview. Like, it's fun. The original standing desk. I'm not like hunched. I like that part of it.
On your feet all right.
Stretch it out.
But having the tolerance, that's like a example of someone like letting, like figuring out your freak flag that you're flying, but you have to have time to figure out their freak flag too, you know? It's like the tolerance of letting each other figure each other out, you know?
My name is Pablo, and I've been coming here since I was 9 years old. When we lived out here for like a year, we lived at Santa Felipe apartment, and then Gabe would cut my hair. And then we moved back to Santa Rosa, and then we came back here, but I hadn't seen him for a while. And then when I was like 12, I started coming back, and I haven't stopped. I cheated on him once. I'm sorry, Gabe. About a year ago, but it was just because my friend was like trying to get her license to cut hair, so I was like, okay, you can cut me once. Oh, I mean, it feels great. I've been doing it since I was but a wee child, and it gets better every time.
It's funtisticated.
Funtisticated. It's a good one.
I don't know, I think people like just that connection of like, either just like humor or just like the positivity.
Oh, see, board slide mar gym rail.
Now I'm blessed with like a crazy like clientele that's like, you know, overflowing to the part where I can just like, you know, blessed with like people love Ace to where they'll trust us, you know, but it's like cool that I have friends that have come in for so long, and it's like you get to, they come to see you, it's like kicking it at your house, and like every hour another homie comes by to visit. You know what I mean? It's like crazy. Then they pay you. I'm like, sometimes I would just like wish I could just hook everyone up for free, you know? Cause it's like so rad that they come check you out. Sometimes people look forward to coming in here. I've had people tell me crazy stuff like family members passing away and like dropping heavy stuff on you, but it's like, that's a blessing that people trust you with that, you know? So it can be more than just a haircut.